Hello everyone, I'm Nana Dogra. I welcome you all in this session. So we are back with our JOA IT previous year question paper analysis. So let's start today discussion without further delay. Let's start. So one by one we will discuss all the questions which are there in the examination. So our first question is which is related to history. In this question, the central India, the Kushan rule was followed immediately by. So here the examiner asked about Kushan rule which was followed immediately by which one? First option is Murundas, second option is Kanwas, third option is Satvahanas and fourth option is Guptas. Most of the people think about fourth option which is right, but actually first option is the right option. Here the Kushan rule which was immediately followed by Murundas. So first option is the right option. So move to our next question. So in this question, which is one of the earliest residential cum teaching institution? It means residential cum teaching institution. So our first option is Nalanda, second option is Bikramshila, third option is Takshila and fourth option is Kanchi. So in this question, which one of the earliest residential cum teaching institution? So our right option is Nalanda the institution. So move to our next question. Who founded the Pala Empire? So first option is Ruhma, second option is Dhruva, third option is Dharmpala and fourth option is Gopala. So you are left with only two options, Dharmpala and Gopala. This is a wrong option. Here examiner asks founder of Pala Empire. So obviously you are left with two options, this one Dharmpala and Gopala. So founder, who founded the Pala Empire? It means right option is Gopala. So fourth option is the right option. Move to our next question. So in this question, who was the court poet of King Mahipala of Kanuj? King Mahipala of Kanuj. In this question, who was the court poet? So first option is related to Kalhana, second option is Bana, third option is Ravi Kirti and fourth option is Radesh Khara. So in this question, the right option is the king of Mahipala of Kanuj. So right option is the fourth option, which is Rajshekhara. Rajshekhar is the right option, you can say. So in this question, examiner asked about who constituted a council known as. Here the examiner asked about council. So who constituted a council known as Umrai Chahalgani. So your first option is Balwan, second option is Iltutmish and third option is Sikandar Lodi and fourth option is Aram Shah. So in this question, this is a very important council and very famous council, Umrao Chalgani. So this is constituted by Iltutmish. So second option is the right option. So in this question, examiner asked about the time Al-Bruni came to India in. This is Al-Bruni came to India in. First option is 9th century AD. Second option is 10th century, third option is 11th and fourth one is 12th century AD. So in this question, which is related to Al-Biruni, so which is third option is the right option. So move to our next question. So in this question, examiner asked about the Chola Empire came to extinguished finally in which of the invasion of. It means Chola Empire came to be extinguished finally with the invasion of which one? So your first option is Alauddin Khilji, second option is Muhammad bin Tughlaq, third option is Balwan and fourth option is Firoz Shah Tughlaq. So you can eliminate these two options. This question is not related to Tughlaq. So you are left with two options. So the right option is first option, Alauddin Khilji, which is the first option. Here examiner asked about Chola Empire came to extinguish finally with the invasion of Alauddin Khilji. So first option is the right option. So move to our next question. So in this question, what led to the Maratha Empire becoming a confederacy of feudal chiefs? Confederacy of feudal chiefs. So Maratha Empire. What led to the Maratha Empire becoming a confederacy of feudal chiefs? So first option is the rise of Peshwas. Second option is Sambhaji weaknesses, and the third option is ambition of old Sardars like Angriyaz and Bhonsles, and fourth option is none of these. So as you little bit about idea, Maratha Empire is becoming a confederacy of feudal chiefs. So your right option is the first option, the rise of Peshwas, which led to the Maratha Empire becoming a federacy of feudal chiefs. So first option is the right option. So in this question, who was the first secular ruler of Afghan clan? Afghan clan. First, here examiner ask about first secular ruler of Afghan clan. So first option is Genghis Khan, second option is Balwan, third option is Sher Shah, and the fourth option is Abul Shah. The fourth option is Abul Shah. So in this question, the context about the first secular ruler of Afghan clan, it means the right option is the third option, which is Sher Shah. Sher Shah is the first secular ruler of the Afghan clan. Here the examiner asks about Afghan. So third option is the right option. Move to our next question. The dual system of government was abolished by, cancelled by. First option is Lord Canning, second option is Warren Hastings, and third option is Lord Ripon, and the fourth option is Lord Lytton. So you are cancelled these two options. You are left with only two options. So our right option is Warren Hastings. So here dual system of government abolished means cancelled by Warren Hastings. So second option is the right option. Move to our next question. So in this question, examiner asked about militant. Which militant nationalist killed the RAND? So first option is Damodar Chapikar, second option is Barindra Kumar Ghosh, and third option is Jatindra Nath Banerjee, and the fourth option is Praful Chaki. So the right option is first option, because here examiner asked about militant nationalist killed the RAND. So right option is Damodar Chapikar. Move to our next question. These questions are a little bit difficult. If you have a deep knowledge, deep conceptual clarity about these questions, so you can pick up the right option, which one is right, which one is wrong, if you have a conceptual clarity. If you don't have a conceptual clarity, then you maybe mug up with options. So these are little bit tricky, so you need to be more focused and more vigilant whenever you are doing such type of questions. So in this question, which of the following leaders are not, it means which of the following leaders was not involved with the emergency of trade union movement? Here the movement is related to trade union, and which of the following leaders was not? Remember these words, not, because these words are golden words. So which of the following leaders was not involved with the emergency of trade union movement? So your first option is Lal Lajpat Rai, second option is BP Badia, and third option is M.A. Jamna, and the fourth option is N.M. Joshi. So firstly you eliminate these options, N.M. Joshi, Lal Lajpat Rai. So your right option is only one and only M.A. Jamna, because this is related to trade union movement. M.A. Jamna is basically the person, the leader who was not involved the emergency of trade union movement, because Lal Lajpat Rai, B.P. Wadia and N.M. Joshi all are leaders of trade union movement, and the M.A. Jamna is not related to. So second option, you can say third option is the right option, M.A. Jamna. Moving to our next question. So in this question, faulting owes its origin to faulting. So first option is tensional force, second option is compressional force, and the third option is convergent force, and fourth option is all of these. So this is a wrong option. All of these is not responsible for origin of faulting owes. So right option is only one and only tensional force, which is related to faulting. So basically faulting owes its origin to the tensional force. So first option is the right option. Move to our next question. This is a very easy question which are there in the examination. So the origin of earth dates back to, first option is 3.6 billion years, second option is 4.6. Here the data is given 3.6, 4.6, 5 point, and then 6.6. So these are very related data. You need to learn the accurate value. So the origin of earth dates back to, which is 4.6 billion years. So second option is the right option. You need to be more vigilant whenever you're doing such kind of question. So move to our next question. So in this question, monsoon winds fall in a category of, this is a basically a geological question. So monsoons winds fall in category of planetary winds, second option is local winds, third option is periodic winds. So this is a little bit important, periodic winds. So you can say monsoon winds fall in the category of periodic wind. So third option is the right option. So move to our next question. So in this question, which of the following is not form of precipitation? Chemistry related question. Not a form of precipitation. First option is snow, second option is dew, third option is sleet, and fourth option is hail. I think you might all known with all these words, snow, dew, sleet and hail. So in this question, which is not form precipitation? Snow, dew, sleet and hail. So right option is dew is not form the precipitation, which is not involved in the precipitation process. So you can say dew is the right option. So move to our next question. So in this question, the position of a sun, the moon and the earth. The position of sun, moon, earth, these three terminology, sun, moon and earth in a straight line. So in this question, the first option is syzygy, second option is quadrature, third option is opposition. So firstly you need to eliminate the third option and second option. So obviously you are left with only two options. None of these is not related to. So our right option is first option, the position of sun, moon and earth in a straight line. So right option is the first option. This is very easy question which are there in the examination. So in this question, which of the following countries consume more fish? This question basically related to fish. So consume more fish than any other country in the world. So first option is France, second option is China, third option is Great Britain and the fourth option is Japan. So no doubt, so Japan is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. So this is a very easy question. Japan consume more fish than any other country in the world. So fourth option is the right option. So move to our next question. So in this question, mixed cultivation is found throughout Asia, Europe, Africa and the fourth option is Australia. So here examiner ask about mixed cultivation. Mixed cultivation is basically related to Europe. So this is a GK related question. You need to generalize your knowledge. So second option is the right option. Move to our next one. So in this question, the Cheviot Hills are situated. In which? First option is Ireland, second option is Ireland, third option is England and fourth option is Scotland. All are ending with land. So your right option is Here examiner ask about Cheviot Hills. So this is related to your fourth option, which is Scotland. Cheviot Hills are situated in the Scotland. So fourth option is the right option. So in this question, which is related to Shan Massif Plateau. Shan Massif Plateau situated in, first is Thailand, second option is Myanmar, third option is you can say Indonesia, and the fourth option is Malaysia. So firstly you need to cancel these two options, Indonesia and Malaysia, because Shah Massif Plateau is not related to these two options. You are left only Thailand and Myanmar. So obviously second option is the right option, which is Myanmar. Shah Massif Plateau, massive, Myanmar. You can link these two words, massive and Myanmar. So second option is the right option. So in this question, the Malamalais and Palkondas hills, there are two type of hills, which is Malamalais and Palkonda hills are situated in, first in eastern, western, third option is Ajanta Range. This is the wrong option, Ajanta Range, none of these is the wrong option. So you are left with only two options, which is Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. So these two hills, Malamalais and Palkonda hills, which is related to Eastern Ghats. So first option is the right option. So in this question, in which of the following, you can say in which of the following rivers does not, this is a very important word, golden words you can say, which of the following rivers does not form a rift valley. Okay, so basically this question is related to Rift Valley. So first option is Godavari river, second option is Narmada, third option is Tapti. So you can say which one does not form. So right option is Godavari. This river is not form a Rift Valley. So first option is the right option. So if I talk about in this question, the winter rainfall in Tamil Nadu. The state is Tamil Nadu. The winter rainfall in Tamil Nadu is due to the reason. First reason is retreating monsoons. Second option is temperate cyclones. Third option is trade winds, and fourth option is north-south monsoons. So this question is basically related to monsoons. So the right option is the first, which is retreating monsoons. The heavy winter rainfall in Tamil Nadu is due to the retreating monsoons, you can say. So move to our next question. So this is basically a last question. So the soil is red soil is poor in phosphorus, nitrogen, lime, and all of these. So if I talk about red soil, which is poor in all of these, so you can say your fourth option is the right option, because red soil is basically poor in, you can say, phosphorus, nitrogen, all these are not present in a red soil. So all of these is the right option. Most of the question, all of these which are right, so you can say fourth option is the right option. So today we are going to end this session. Thank you for joining us.